Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make paneer gravy. Get ready to create a truly delicious and satisfying dish right in your own kitchen. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to achieving that perfect creamy texture. This guide will help you prepare a fantastic meal that your family and friends will absolutely love, making you a paneer gravy pro in no time. Let's dive in and start cooking. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this delightful paneer gravy. You'll need about 200 grams of fresh paneer, cut into 1-inch cubes, along with 2 large onions and 3 ripe tomatoes. Don't forget a 1-inch piece of ginger and 4 cloves of garlic for that aromatic base. Also, have your favorite spices and about 1/4 cup of fresh cream or cashew paste ready to go. Proper preparation is key to a smooth cooking process. Now, let's craft the flavorful base for our gravy. Start by sautéing your chopped onions in a pan with a tablespoon of oil until they become beautifully golden brown and soft. Next, add the ginger, garlic, and tomatoes, cooking them until they are tender. Once cooled slightly, transfer this mixture to a blender and process until you achieve a perfectly smooth, fine paste. This step is crucial for a silky gravy texture. Finally, it's time to bring our paneer gravy to perfection. Pour the blended paste back into the pan, adding your chosen spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Cook this mixture for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Then, add about 1/2 cup of water and simmer until the gravy reaches your desired thickness. Gently stir in the paneer cubes and a 1/4 cup of fresh cream, then serve hot with rice or naan. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.